presence of acid, then we will get ester plus water. So in this process, we prepared ester. That's why the process is known as esterification. Okay. Now, if you are going to see about this saponification, so I'm going to write the definition first, then I will explain, then write the reaction. So basically, on treatment, write with me, on treatment of sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, which is base or alkali, which is basic or alkali, we can say. The ester is on treatment of sodium hydroxide, which is with ester. The ester is converted back to alcohol and carboxylic acid. Alcohol and carboxylic acid. So how we form ester? When carboxylic acid react with alcohol, then ester form, and the process is known as esterification, and the reaction occurred in acidic medium. Now if you are going to react sodium hydroxide, which is base, with ester, then you will be getting alcohol and carboxylic acid back. So how the reaction will take place? You can see this is your ester, CH3COO, C2H5, and if you are going to react this with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, it will be converted into C2H5OH plus CH3COON. It is basically carboxylic acid salt. So please do write it. Wait a minute. Alcohol and let me write it perfectly. Alcohol and carboxylic sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This reaction is basically known as saponification because this reaction is known as saponification because it is used in the preparation of soap. It is used in the preparation of soap. Please do write preparation of soap. The mechanism of this you will be studying in class 12. Do let me know when you are done with this, Martin. Abdullah, are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Martin and Amna.
No, I'm doing.
Okay, please do let me know when you are done with this. Martin, are you done with this now?
Yeah, done, sir.
No. Now see, the next reaction is basically the second reaction, or you can call it the third reaction, is basically reaction with base. We are studying the chemical reaction or chemical properties of ethanoic acid. So reaction with base. As you know that this ethanoic acid is an acid, carboxylic acid you can see. So basically, when a base react with acid, what will be the product? Salt plus water. So it is very easy to understand. Ethanoic acids reacts with base such as sodium hydroxide, or you can take potassium hydroxide also, sodium hydroxide, to give salt which is commonly called, either its IUPAC name is sodium ethanoate, or its common name is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate and water, salt and water. So basically the name of the salt is this sodium ethanoate, or you can call it sodium acetate. As you can see the reaction NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide, if it is going to react with carboxylic acid CH3COOH, so what will happen here? Sodium will replace hydrogen, so it will be CH3COONA, which is sodium acetate, or you can call it sodium ethanoate, and there will be formation of water as well. As you know that from the chapter acid, bases, and salts. When acid and base react with each other, this is your base and this is your acid, then salt plus water forms. So please do write it. Everyone done with this?
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Now the next reaction is basically the fourth, you can say, or the third. Reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Hydrogen carbonates. So as you know that carbonate is basically CO3 minus 2 and hydrogen carbonate is HCO3 minus. Now you can see I'm going to write a point and then I will write the equation and explain. Ethanoic acid react with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to give a salt form carbon dioxide, and water. And the salt formed, the salt product is commonly called sodium acetate. Is commonly called sodium acetate. In your syllabus, it will be constant. Same reactions will be asked, not different reaction. So here is CH3COOH, in which I'm going to react it with sodium carbonate, which has a formula Na2CO3. So the product is constant. Sodium acetate that we just had written in the previous reaction, along with the formation of carbon dioxide plus water. You can balance it by your own. And if this carboxylic acid, which is ethanoic acid, reacting with hydrogen carbonate, so I'm going to take this NHCO3 that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Again, the product will be constant. This is your sodium acetate plus carbon dioxide plus water plus carbon dioxide plus water. We are going to take 2 mole of this, so it will form 2 mole of this, and then this I think it's balanced. So please do write it and let me know. Please do let me know when you are done with this. Martin, Abdullah, Hanna, are you done with this?
Yeah, done, sir.
Very good. Now I'm going to give you a question. Let me know if you are able to solve it or not. How would you distinguish experimentally between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid? Let me know if you are able to solve it or not. Are you done with this?
Yeah, done.
No. So what is the answer that you have written, or only you have in the question? Can you solve it, Martin, Amna, and Abdullah?
Alcohol
Any one of
contain
you?
OH, carboxylic acid contain OH.
Yeah, you are not audible, basically.
Alcohol contain OH.
Experimentally, you need to determine experimentally. If alcohol contains OH, carboxylic acid also have like this OH. So see how we are going to distinguish between these. First of all, alcohols do not react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. So I can write with me. We can distinguish between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid on the basis of their reaction, on the basis of their reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Hydrogen carbonates. I will explain it first. Write it with acid. That means ethanoic acid reacts with carbonate and hydrogen carbonate to evolve CO2 gas, which turns lime water milk. Lime water milk. So basically, if you are going to react this ethanoic acid with either carbonate ions, carbonates, metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates, there will be product that is salt, carbon dioxide and water. That carbon dioxide, if you are going to mix it with lime water, it turns the lime water into milky. That represents it is ethanoic acid. Whereas now, first I'm going to show you the reaction. Metal carbonates, either there is metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. Hydrogen carbonates. If you are going to react it with carboxylic acid, the product I'm going to write, first write it up to this and let me know. Are you done with this? In the next class, this chapter will be completed. Only soaps left. Everyone done with this? Martin?
No, sir.
Okay. So the product will be salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. And we can write alcohols on the other hand. Not react with carbonates and hydrogen carbon. So this is it for today. Please wait. There will be a test